Hey, this is Al, and we are at Portillo's restaurant at a car show here. Definitely a nice one. We're going to do some walking around and see what things look like. We did a quick flyover, but let's see what we got here. So I did a quick flyover with the drone to get a good idea of how large the show was. More cars showed up after I landed though, but I think I got everyone. Todd Butler's Dodge Challenger was on display. I videoed his car at the Maysville show, and you'll see that on my channel, The Car Show by Alex, on YouTube. Also, the restored VW was on display. That was from the old Fort VW car show where they did the presentation about the two teenagers that learned how to drive in the VW, and then it just sat for years, and then they finally restored it, and that's a great show, you guys. But hope you enjoy it. Good looking Ford. Very nice looking. Got some music going. Oh, that's good looking. Victoria V8. Definitely very nice looking. Grab the Camaro real quick, convertible, black on black and black. Look like my neighbors. Another Camaro, 1979 Camaro Z28, original interior, engine and drivetrain, 74,000 miles. Non-computer car. How you like that? No computer to be found unless you got a laptop in it. Yeah. There's a Mustang 5.0. Get that engine in there. Whew. Nice. Look at that distributor cap. Don't see much of that anymore. Look at this baby. Chevrolet. Boy, that looks good. And look at this. Very nice. Look at that engine. Oh my goodness. Ooh-wee. For you. Got a Mustang here, a pony, yeah. Another pickup. Not sure about the years. Got a Porsche here. Nice looking. Here's another SS. Looks good too. Ah, look at this. I want to say this is a 59. Boy, that looks good. Look at that engine down in there. That engine looks good, you all. Oh, that looks good. Got another Mustang. Got another Camaro. Couple of Camaros back there in the back. GTO. Yeah. Wow, that looks good. Whew. And check this out. This is for sale. At least that's what it says. There you go. Make you relive your hot rod days. There's a 57 over here. There we go. That looks nice. Nice engine. Oh, look at this. I believe this is a LeSabre, a 4-door sedan. One it says the 65 or 66. Clean. Here's a Ray-Von. That looks good. Got some nice cars out here. Nice pickup. You even got a Mercedes over in here. Look at that. Corona. I got some music blasting. Oh, that looks nice. Over there. Oh, that looks good. Look at that color. That blue is beautiful. There you go, there you go. I think I saw this at Maysville. I saw this one, yeah, I saw these two at Maysville. Hey, I believe this is somebody's car we know. I believe he's on Facebook with me right here. '72 Cutlass here. Well, hi!
This car was presented to brother and sister Will and Carla in the old Ford VW car show. You can see Larry, the presenter, and Carla standing in the background. Larry Timenhoff did an excellent job with the narration of the presentation on the VW car show, as the wind became very gusty and the dialogue would have been unusable.
And look at this. Wow, that looks beautiful. I wanted to say this is a 59, but I could be wrong. This is a DeSoto. These were cars my brothers cherished. Look at this. Yeah, 59. Look at that. Oh man, all she needs is a little love. Oh, that looks good. Look at this. Here's a New Yorker, I believe it is, a Chrysler. Some nice cars out here, you all. Let's see, what does it say? I know this is a 1965 Chrysler Newport 4-door sedan. Oh man, that looks nice. Just needs a little love, that's all. Somebody do something to it. Oh goodness, that looks good. That 427, nice looking Mustang. Look at that Malibu 307 convertible. Woo, that baby looks good. Look at those rear tires. Got some meat back there. Here you go. Here you go. There you go. What about that? Boy, that looks good. Now that looks good. Look at that. Oh man, that's nice looking. Here we go, another GTU. I remember the red pinstripe tires back in the day. Remember that. Look at that. This baby's got 3 carburetors on it. This baby may make you cry, mama. Boy, that looks good. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. That paint is in excellent condition. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Beautiful machines, beautiful machines. I want you to know that's going to go around the world. Thank you, you too. Yeah, look what we got there. What else we got? Got a couple of pickups down here. Got a Monte Carlo right here. Got a couple of fellas inspecting the engine. Looks good too. Nice and clean under there. Ah, that's good. That looks nice. I used to have one of those. Got it from my sister. Oh, that's good shape. Whew. Love that. Oh, that looks good right there. Chevy Super Sport. Oh, that looks good. Whew. I believe this is a 65. Could be wrong though. Look at that. Look at that. That looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Interior's nice. 327. They're not showing off the engine. It still looks good. You can't beat this vehicle here. Yes, I would. Now, folks, I gotta take a picture of this. We got a true gangster here. Oh my goodness, look at that engine, you all. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Man, that engine looks like it'll make you cry, mama.
Now, this car I actually caught a couple of times. I was able to grab it originally at the Huntertown show, which I'm still editing, and I got it. He was leaving the 14th annual Cruise-In Car Show, and we got him.
The 14th annual at the Haven Chevrolet, there was a Corvette out there that had a hookup like that in it.
I was there.
You were? I thought I remembered this. This is good looking.
I wish you could see in the sun and you've got a bunch of pearl metallic in it.
Oh my goodness, that's good looking. Ray Vaughn. I am with Ray Vaughn and he's showing me his 37 here. And he just showed me the motor. Look at that motor, you all. Look how clean that is. Look at that. And he drives this. This don't sit around and collect dust. He drives this. He takes it to Florida. Got a 350 Chevy in it. Man, that looks good. 1937. Brother, I tell you, this looks good. We're gonna post this. We were out here at Portillo's in Fort Wayne, and they had the show, and I tell you, very nice looking. And this is nice looking. Beautiful vehicle, beautiful. Look at that interior. Oh man, you could travel with this. Look how comfortable that looks. You can travel in that. That's a good looking vehicle, you all. very good looking vehicle.